This is an old light switch that looks like it's about to break, and this is a brand new one. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace a light switch. Step 1. Before you do any electrical work around the house, make sure you turn off your circuit breaker and triple check that you have no power coming into your light switch that you will be removing. Step 2. Take a flathead screwdriver and remove the 2 screws on the cover plate and remove the cover plate. Step 3. Take the Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws that are holding the light switch in place. Take the light switch and pull it out towards you. Step 4. Take a small flathead screwdriver and push it into the small hole to release the wire if your light switch is wired like mine. Otherwise, your light switch may be wired directly to these screws. Make sure you only do 1 wire at a time. Step 5. Take the new light switch and position it in the same orientation as your old one. Then push in the wire into the appropriate hole that matches to your existing light switch. Meaning, if you pull the wire from the top, then plug it into the top portion of the new light switch. Do this 1 wire at a time, this way you don't get them confused. Step 6. Remove the ground wire, which is typically held by a Phillips head screw. In most cases, the screw looks a little bit greenish. Next, wire the ground wire to the new switch and tighten the screw. Step 7. Push the new light switch back into the socket and thread the top screw just enough to hold it in place. Then do the same on the bottom screw, make final adjustments, and tighten all the screws all the way. Step 8. I recommend buying a new cover plate like this one, since they are inexpensive, but you can use your existing one if it's in good condition. Install the cover plate back by screwing the screws back on. Do not over tighten it, as that could result in cracking the plastic and damaging your cover plate. Finally, turn on your circuit breaker and test the light switch to make sure it works. That's it. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.